Anong blessings ang paparating sa'yo ngayong month of November? So with your cards na meron tayo dito, with the Nine of Cups, I can say that there are big wishes that are about to be fulfilled for you this month. And going back sa mga past weeks or past months mo, I can see that there might be some disappointments or rejection. Parang merong pinanghihinayangan ka na parang yun na yun eh. Like munti ka na, like almost there na. And right now, with the full in reverse, kung meron mang mga opportunity na dumadating sa'yo ngayon, nagdadalawang isip ka kasi natatakot ka sa potential na rejection or baka natatakot ka na ma-disappoint ka ulit. Kasi yun na yung na-experience mo in the past months. Like, siguro kung meron ka mang na-experience noon, it's like series of disappointments or rejection. Kaya this time, itong may dumadating na something new, it's like you are really afraid to accept it or takot kang tanggapin kung ano man yung hinaharap sa'yo ngayon. Kasi, ayun, because of the past situations na nangyari. But we also have here the Page of Pentacles, we have here the Two of Pentacles, and Ten of Pentacles. Like, wow, Ten of Pentacles, guys. This is like telling you na kung ano man yung dumadating sa'yo ngayon, huwag mong pakawalan. Bigyan mo ng chance. And try this new opportunity na binibigay sa'yo. Because this can be also a path to success. And this could be also a reason kung bakit hindi nangyari or nagkaroon ka ng past rejections, past disappointment. Kasi nga, merong something better na nakalaan at binibigay para sa'yo. Whether this is something connected with career, money, since Ten of Pentacles or money is something na connected with Pentacles na card. Ayan. Or this is something connected with security and stability. Guys, mas stable and mas secured itong mismong path na ito. At yun yung gustong ibigay sa'yo ni universe. Itong path na to, something that is much secured and much stable. Kaya huwag kang matakot sumubok. Huwag kang matakot na tanggapin itong path na ito and to try again. And to start all over again. Kasi yun naman yung mahalaga, na makabangon ka ulit at makasubok ka ulit ng panibagong opportunity. And you'll know it, no? You'll understand why this kind of things, itong mga bagay na to, kung bakit hindi to nag-work out. Kasi ito pala yun. Ito pala yung para sa'yo. So good luck and sana dumating na itong mga bigger blessings na perfect fit for you.